I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Audi AC system. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. Next, ensure your vehicle's engine is running and the air conditioning is set to maximum cold with the fan on high. Then, find the low-pressure service port, which is typically on the larger diameter AC line, often marked with an L. Now, take your AC recharge kit and firmly attach the quick connect fitting of the hose to the low-pressure service port you just located. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Before adding refrigerant, check the gauge on the kit to get an initial reading of your system's current pressure. This baseline helps you understand how much refrigerant is needed. With the kit connected, hold the refrigerant can upright and press the trigger to begin adding refrigerant. It's helpful to gently rock the can from a 12 o'clock to a 3 o'clock position every few seconds to ensure a steady flow. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, typically indicated on the gauge itself, without overcharging. Once the pressure gauge indicates the system is properly charged, carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure port. Then, test your AC by feeling the air coming from the vents to confirm it's now blowing cold. If it's still not cold, you might have a leak, requiring professional inspection. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.